Missing important messages on Discord? Here's how to make sure you get in-app alerts every time something happens. Start by opening the Discord app on your phone and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, look to the bottom right corner of the screen and tap your profile picture. This will open your user settings. Now scroll through the menu and tap on the option labeled Notifications. This section controls how you receive alerts from Discord while using the app. What we're looking for here is a toggle called Get Notifications within Discord. This setting ensures that you'll receive pop-up notifications directly inside the app, even if your device notifications are limited or turned off. If the toggle is currently off, simply tap it once to turn it on. When it lights up or changes color, that means the feature is now active. With this enabled, you won't miss messages, mentions, or server activity while you're actively using Discord. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit like, subscribe, and check out our other Discord tips to level up your chat experience.